Free digital marketing tools. This video will give you a list of free digital marketing tools, which will help you to get started with digital marketing. But as you grow, you can move from these free digital marketing tools. But before you dive into the free digital marketing tools, you have to know the types of digital marketing tools. The types of digital marketing tools are 1. SEO 2. Social media marketing 3. Email marketing 4. Content marketing, SEO tools. So the first free digital marketing tools, which are in SEO categories, are 1. Yoast SEO WordPress plugin 2. Google Analytics for analytics. 3. Google Search Console. This allows you to keep track of how Google indexes your website. 4. SEMrush Keywords Research. 5. Screaming Frog SEO Spider Tool. Identify issues such as broken links and redirection issues. 6. Ahrefs Backlink Checker for checking backlink. Social media marketing tools. The second free digital marketing tools, which are in social media marketing categories: 1. Bitly Link Shortener. 2. Hootsuite Social Media Management Tool. 3. Feedly Spend less time searching for content relating to specific topics. 4. Tagboard Get a visual of how people are engaging with your brand. 5. Google Alerts Find your competitors. Email marketing tools. The third free digital marketing tools, which are in the email marketing categories, are 1. HubSpot Free Email Marketing 2. Copywriting Quiz Subject Line Generator for email subject. 3. A /b split test duration for testing between two templates, which works well. Content marketing tools. The fourth free digital marketing tools, which are in the content marketing categories, are 1. Asana Project Management Tool. 2. Airtable by sliding tasks between columns. This project management tool makes it simple to plan content. 3. Grammarly Grammar Checker. 4. Hemingway App Check for readability, passive voice, word repetition, etc. 5. Advanced Marketing Institute Headline Analyzer gives your headlines an emotional marketing value score. I hope you got the perfect tools for free digital marketing. But remember, you should only use these tools or their free versions at the beginning of your business or what you do. Which tools should you start with?